An inside look at the houses owned by Calvin Klein. Luxury homes are paramount in real estate and architecture. A lavish and luxurious property is usually characterized by its exclusivity, amenities, prime location, striking surroundings, high-end materials, and exceptional architectural detailing. The emergence of the higher class and the affluence is majorly seen with a rise in the property sector. Such sites are demand and detail-oriented, subjective, and very personal to the client's expectations. Persistently raising the bar of luxury living, New York is home to some of the world's elites. Co-founder and designer of the renowned fashion brand Calvin Klein, Richard Klein is one such fanatic about real estate. Having been born and raised in the Bronx, being a native New Yorker, he owned an elaborate duplex penthouse in New York's iconic clock tower, now listed on market for sale. Owning and designing a definitive piece of land in the heart of Manhattan, overlooking the majestic Central Park, is truly prestigious. Besides being a personal home to Calvin Klein, this extravagant penthouse is an influencer and trendsetter in real estate. With a panoramic 360-degree view, the property spans about 5,500 square ft and is a combination of indoor and outdoor space, providing maximum flexibility to design and shape the apartment as per one's preference. The apartment has undergone several renovations, showcasing different styles of planning, and from highly detailed ornamentation to absolute minimalism. The open floor plan now has crisp white walls and large full-size windows that allow abundant light to naturally brighten up the space, making it a key feature of the layout. Contrasting the historic ornate exteriors of the police building at Lincoln Square, this penthouse is a modern contemporary space inside with postcard-like scenic views, unlike the previous designs with marble countertops and hardwood flooring. The living room is a domed space with ample space to facilitate multiple activities, whereas the apartment itself comprises a media room, library, elevator, 2 kitchens, bedrooms, and master suites. Yet another masterpiece owned by Mr. Klein is a modern mansion in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles, California, with some elite celebrity neighbors. This 9,300 square ft abode is a feature home with a rustic, with warm neutral hues, yet contemporary in design and amenities. A dynamic floor plan spread longitudinally with retractable glass walls that open to a sleek infinity pool surrounded by grass fields, renders beautiful views of the hills, downtown city, and the ocean. The mansion depicts grandeur and elegance throughout, with high ceiling and white walls, allowing the most of view to be set inside. The entryway is inviting, with a feature water body with a bridge and a spacious garage. Space to display Klein's beautiful automobile collection. The mansion has multiple recreational spaces of varying capacities, both indoor and outdoor, perfect for hosting events and gatherings, yet maintaining one's privacy. With about 5 elaborate bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, an office, family room, a private cinema, an air-conditioned wine cellar, and some more added luxurious amenities. The master suite takes all eyes with its vastness, private terrace with fireplace, and brown, black, and grey interiors. With the use of sophisticated materials, wide glass openings, contrasting hardwood flooring, custom CK furniture, and neutral warm upholstery, the mansion is aesthetically pleasing. Beyond the design and layout, this contemporary home calls attention to various artworks, minimal yet detailed, and photographs, real and abstract, from the garage to the main hall to every room. Overall, the property has several striking features with spectacular views of nature, making it stand out in the real estate market. Calvin Klein, apart from the above-mentioned properties, owns houses in Miami and Southampton, NY, rumored to be on sale. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.